Hey everyone, today I will show you how to change region in Riot account League of Legends. First of all, head over to the official Riot Games support website. Changing regions isn't an in-game settings, so you will need to request the change through Riot supports. Once you are on the support page, log in with your Riot account credentials. Look for the account login and technical help section. Then select account management, data requests, or deletion. In your account settings, you will see an option for region transfer. Select the region you want to switch to and confirm the transfer. Keep in mind, there's typically a fee for transferring regions, and any regions locked content might not carry over. And that's it. You are now set to play League of Legends in a new region. If this was helpful, give it a like and follow for more league tips.